Welcome. In front of me is a Oppo Reno 6 Pro, and today I will show you how to record screen on this phone. So to get started, all you need to do is pull down your notification panel, locate the toggle, which for me is right here. That is the default location of it. And once you find it, you can simply tap on it, select continue. If you're doing this for the first time, you will get this pop-up as well. Allow screen record, take pictures and record videos. Allow while using up. Access to audio, so it can actually record microphone and just the phone sounds. Sure, while using up. Now I'm not exactly sure why I would need access to things like phone calls, so I'm just gonna deny it. And in terms of storage, obviously it needs a place to be saved, so allow. And let's see, let's try to toggle again. Apparently, without allowing it to manage phone calls, we can't record screen. Not sure why, so I guess fine, I'm gonna agree to it. It's not like I have a choice here. And this will bring up this little panel on the side. So we have tap to record, we also have the settings button and close. So I'm gonna start off by going into the settings right here, where you will have two options right here: record system sound and record microphone sound, so you can record both of them. Although if you're planning to record both, I do recommend you to use headphones for that, otherwise you'll get an echo effect. And additionally, under more settings, we'll have additional settings for video recording. So as an example, video resolution, it is set to be medium right now, but we can either make it high, which will increase the quality of it and also take more space once saved. And what else we got? Frame rate, we have dynamic. Gonna move this around. So dynamic automatically adjusts frame rate based on the content being recorded. So if the content is being shown at 60, it's gonna record at 60. If an image is being shown, it's probably gonna record at like 15 frames. So this is probably the best option to keep. And then we have front camera, so you can add a front camera recording to the screen recording if you want that. I don't. What else we got? We have again the sound system, so record system or microphone or both. And yeah, once you go to the settings, you can basically leave this and simply start recording here. As you can see, it will record. There's a timer right here. So whatever you will do right now will be recorded by the device. It will record applications minus things like, for instance, Netflix. Now, once you're done with it, you can interact with the panel right here and select the red square or pause, depending if you want to pause it or completely stop the recording, which will, if you stopped it, it will save it in your photo application. If you paused it, you can open up some kind of application, resume it again, but if you want to save it, you always have to press the red square. And once we go into the photo application, you should be able to see that recording somewhere in here, and there it is. And obviously you can also see that the little overlay that we've seen here for the video recording is not visible on the recording itself. So anyway, this is how you record your screen, and also where you can find the recording after you're done. And if you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe, and thanks for watching.